In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your details on Agile CRM. We'll walk through how to update your personal profile information, including things like your name, password, time zone, and notification settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives inside Agile CRM and how to make quick changes whenever you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your Agile CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small user icon there. This icon represents your personal account and profile settings. Go ahead and click on that user icon. When you click the icon, a small menu will open. From this menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all of your main account details are stored. This is essentially your control center for anything related to your personal information in Agile CRM. On your profile page, look for a button or link that says Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to unlock the fields so you can make changes. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see that several fields become active and ready for you to update. Here, you can adjust your name, which is how your information will appear to other users in your organization. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled correctly and formatted the way you prefer. You can also update your password from this area. When changing your password, consider using a strong and unique one that you don't reuse on other sites. If Agile CRM requires you to confirm your current password before saving, make sure you have that ready. Next, review your time zone setting. This is important because your time zone affects how dates and times appear in your account, including tasks, appointments, and automated activities. Choose the time zone that matches your location so reminders and scheduled items line up with your actual workday. You'll also see notification settings. These control how and when Agile CRM sends you alerts, such as emails or in-app notifications. Take a moment to adjust these to match your workflow so you're getting notified about what matters most without being overwhelmed. Once you've made all the changes you want, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh or confirm your changes. After saving, your updated profile details will be active and you're done.